supposed to eat it. Oh, sorry, I broke a piece off. You chewing?
Let's look.
She must have something in there.
She was chewing. Yay! Yay! Let's see what she's doing.
It gets better.
She's like, that stuff is good, good, good. It's not good. How about we give her a few more?
There you go.
Ow.
It's not long enough now.
Here, switch it up.
You're gonna break.
Try this one. There you go.
Cheers to this. I'm gonna have a few more. Eat it. Let's not chew. Those two.
No, no.
Some taste.
Too many, honey. Too many.
It's too many. She can eat that. Maybe.
She feels like gross, and she puts it back in her mouth.
Oh, you got it. Gross. In my mouth.
Rice. She did a shiver.
I know how to do it, Mommy. I know how to do it, Mommy.
Okay, but
What do you see? You see all the flashes? Are you eating?
sorry,
Can
came
you
on
hear
her
the
team. The rice right there.
Beans?
Corn.
What's that taste like?
You look mad.
You don't like that.